welcome to UK Lockpickers, and if you're watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page, and this is the video flashover for the product that you're hopefully looking at purchasing. And we shall start off with the dimple picks, and you get a large flag, small flag, and two hook type flags. And here is the tension tool. It all goes together. And this is a double-sided keyway. You can find these locks on things like petrol/gas caps, cupboard locks, and that's the tension tool. Double-sided keyways. And then we've got a blue set, we've also got a black set, and what we've got here is an offset diamond, a city rake, a diamond, a snake rake, and a large ball type pick, and a steep hook / medium hook. And again, same profile picks. And that is for putting on your keyring, guys. So thanks for watching. See you next time.